So today, let me take you to the town of Chamba. There is an amazing story which lies behind this Chamba Chukh. Well, I got introduced to this by my grandfather when I was a very small child, and chillies was not a thing for me. That's where I was so curious to know more about it and learn more about it. Let's not talk much, but let's start with the recipe. We are going to crush 150 grams of garlic and around 80 grams of ginger. You can also do this in mixer, blender, but make sure not to make a paste out of it. The consistency has to be like this. Remove this in a bowl. These Kashmiri chilies are soaked for around 5 to 6 hours for better result. Also make sure that you please remove the stems. We have to make sure to just crush them coarsely and not to make a paste out of it. Please use a blender in case you don't have a mortar pestle. As you can see, this is how coarsely grounded Kashmiri chilies look like. For making around 350 grams of Chamba Chukh, we need to add 250 ml of mustard oil. We are going to heat the mustard oil and make it reach to the smoking point, and then we are going to start the process of making Chamba Chukh. I am adding some fenugreek, fennel seeds, and of course the crushed ginger and garlic. This is the time when I'm going to stir it and cook for another 1 minute. It's the time to add the chilies. Now we will mix all the 3 ingredients together and let it cook for another 5 minutes. I'm adding salt according to taste. As you can see, ginger, garlic and the Kashmiri chilies are cooked. It's time to add the vinegar. Traditionally in Chamba Chukh, there is this lemon called gulgal from the mountains which is added. Since gulgal is not available everywhere, I found a trick of adding the vinegar to get the right tartness. To balance the tartness of Chamba Chukh, we are going to add 2 spoons of jaggery powder. You can also use whole jaggery. Can you imagine how quickly this Chamba Chukh is ready? You can enjoy this with anything, maybe paranthas, bread, puri, rice, and trust me, it's a good marinade as well. But I'm going to relish this with babru. Now you all must be wondering what is babru, and for that, please keep watching Indian Food Diaries. Signing off for now, your Chef Sherie.